I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start immediately by measuring 4 parts clean water to 1 part white granulated sugar. This ratio mimics nectar energy. Once measured, bring the water to a rolling boil to dissolve sugar and kill microbes. This is critical. Make sure to stir until fully clear. Crystals mean under-dissolved sugar. After dissolving, allow the solution to cool to room temperature. You must not pour hot syrup into plastic feeders. Soak cool in a clean container, and proceed to the next step only when lukewarm. Once cooled slightly, double-check that all sugar dissolved. Use a fine strainer if any particles remain. You should pour the syrup into pre-washed, food-safe containers. Glass is ideal for longer freshness. Make sure to label each container with the preparation date so you track storage. Refrigerate unused syrup. You can keep it up to 7 days, but fresher is better. When transporting to feeders, use a clean funnel and avoid touching the feeder ports with your hands to prevent contamination. You now fill feeders with lukewarm nectar and hang them in a shaded, sheltered spot to slow spoilage. Direct sun accelerates fermentation. Make sure to check feeders every day for ants or debris and perform a full cleaning at least every 3 days. Soak, scrub, rinse, and air dry. If you notice cloudiness, bubbles, or any mold, discard the syrup and sanitize the feeder with a dilute bleach solution or boiling water. One troubleshooting tip. If feeders go cloudy quickly, reduce sugar concentrations slightly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.